In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect both soundbar to TV with Bluetooth. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If a specific TV that you are using has Bluetooth capabilities, you will be able to connect it wirelessly to your both soundbar. Most both soundbar models will have Bluetooth capabilities, so just follow these steps and you will be able to connect it. So to start, insert any necessary batteries into the remote. This will be primarily done by using the buttons on the remote. So insert any needed AA or AAA batteries into your remote. And once it is sufficiently powered up, you will be able to press the power button. And usually the first time that you power up your boat soundbar, it should automatically go into Bluetooth pairing mode. If it doesn't, you will be able to manually put it into pairing mode by pressing the input button. So press the input button until you see the light on the soundbar flash blue. If you see a blue light from the soundbar, it indicates that it is in Bluetooth mode. With this done, you just have to go over to your TV settings. So access the settings on your TV, usually through the remote. Go over to the audio category, and now whenever you go to sound out or something related to audio, you will be able to find the option of wireless speakers. This is going to differ for every single TV model. In here, I chose to showcase this with an LG TV. However, you can also do this on any other model or smart TV that supports Bluetooth capabilities. So go over to audio, choose the wireless speaker option or find something related to Bluetooth, and now you can choose Bluetooth device once more. Now just search for nearby devices. If your boat soundbar was properly put into Bluetooth pairing mode indicated by the blue light on the soundbar status, it means that it is going to appear once you look for devices in this window. And after you select your boat soundbar, it is going to remain connected as long as it is sufficiently charged. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect both soundbar to TV with Bluetooth. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.